Okay, a few words regarding Ticketmaster and trying to get your tickets on the mobile phone. Okay, so I recently went to see the band Tool, and I'm going to tell you about the little problem I had, and if you're encountering the same problem, I'm going to show you how I've got a solution for myself. Now, if you're watching this, the solution might help you getting your tickets. Alright, so here is the situation after purchasing the Tool tickets. So from the website it said it went mobile, so there was no option to print anything, so it all went to phone. Now I have an old phone, it's an Android Samsung J3, and it tells you to download the app. So my issue, and maybe I'm the only one that has it, but if you encounter this issue, I can sort of tell you what worked for me and how I was able to make it work for myself. So here's the app, right? So when you load up the app, like they tell you to do, right? So this is recommended. So I'm not sure why it was not working for me. So this is where you get to. Here is the app. You go to next. It says your phone is your ticket, right? Okay. You go to that. You keep going. And I'll show you exactly what ended up happening with me. Once I got to the page where you were supposed to sign in, this one here, I'm going to go to it because I try to sign in with my Ticketmaster account that I have created on the PC. And okay, so when entering, I'm not going to enter my credentials here because I've done it over 10 times and it never worked. So you put your email address and your password, the same one that I was using on the Ticketmaster website that I have my account on. I put my email out there, and then it will say error, 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 and it just kept saying that. So I tried all kinds of things. I tried refreshing, I tried to empty out my past history, my cache, everything I did kept saying error. Could never sign into this app. Now tell me if you've experienced this before, if there's a way around it. I'm not sure, but I can never get it to work. So I'm like, well, now I have these tickets that I can't print. They're on mobile. What do I do? So this is how I got to the tickets to be available on my phone. I can still scan it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to Chrome. So hopefully this will help you out. And maybe I'm doing it the wrong way, and maybe that's why I couldn't get in. But I tried all kinds of stuff. So, okay, so see, here you go. I already have the Ticketmaster main website loaded. So you just go to Chrome. Okay. And we're going to go to www.ticketmaster.com. Okay, so you're going to go to the main website. Now from here, you'll enter your credentials just like you would on the PC. And once you're in there, it'll tell you that your tickets are ready. And it says the app is recommended, but don't do that. Just keep it there. It says view your tickets now. And once you're at the venue, you click on it and it'll show you the barcode. They'll scan your barcode on your phone and you're good to go. Alright, I hope that helps you out. I couldn't find an explanation anywhere, so that's what I did, and I hope this was helpful to you. Give me a thumbs up, let me know if it is useful. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.